Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you can deploy a static web application on web server, and here you can use Apache web server for deploying our web page. So first of all you have to go with that link and you have to download the HTTPD server, or else you can type here in the Google Apache server. Then you can go with that link, that is Apache HTTP server project. Then go with that link, that is announce page. Here you can find the link for downloading your HTTP Apache server. Version number is 2.4.64. Now click on this a number of third-party vendors. Then click on that Apache launch. So there are two versions are available, that is for 64-bit and as well as for 32-bit. So you can go with the link as per your Windows operating system. So I am going with that link, that is for Windows 64-bit version, and here is the zip file. You can download that zip file and you can unzip using WinRAR. So click on that link for downloading that zip folder. Now you can go with the browser and you can click on that Apache launch, and here you can find the Visual C++ redistributable Visual Studio 2015 to 2022 version is available. So you can click on this link and you can install this VC x64.exe. Click on that I agree button and click on that install. So it will start the installing. So now your Visual C++ server is installing. So now you have to restart your computer. So click on that restart button. Now you can check that this is HTTPD folder. You have to unzip this folder using WinRAR, and here is the HTTPD 2.4.64 folder is available. If you can go inside that folder, you can check here the Apache 24 folder. So you have to copy that all folder files into your C drive. So I have copied this into C drive, and you can check here the Apache 24 folder. You have to go with that bin folder and you can copy that path, that is C Apache 24 and bin. Now go to command prompt and you can type the command cd space your path, that is C Apache 24/bin. Now you have to put the command, that is httpd -k install. It shows that server is already installed. If it is not installed, then your Apache server will be installed. Now you have to go with the other command, that is httpd.exe. So it will display the logs. Then you have to go with that folder, that is C Apache 24 htdocs. In that folder, you have to put your index.html file. So I have taken one sample website code, and here it is my index.html file, which will display the home page of our sample website. So I'm taking that index.html file, copying that data, and I'm pasting that file into our htdocs folder, that is C Apache 24 htdocs folder. And you can replace your old file index.html with our new index.html file. After that, you can go with the browser and you can type localhost. Then it will display your sample website page. So by using this way, you can deploy your static web application or any website using Apache server.